Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on the Steam application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, you will be shown the login portal where you can either use the Steam mobile app to scan the QR code displayed within the screen, or you may also sign in with your account name and your password. After typing in your username and your password, you may choose the Remember Me box if you are logging in through a private device. Then click on the sign in button, and now you will be logged in to your Steam account right away, and this will take you into your Steam store page. And now you can start enjoying your existing games and also start buying and downloading new ones to start enjoying your Steam experience. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Steam app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.